Why does this truck keep coming? Didn't the driver hear the train horn? When the signal is red, why is this woman still crossing the tracks?
Oh my gosh, she had a miraculous escape. That was way too close. Please, always stay alert when crossing railroad tracks.
The train barrier is closed. Didn't the truck driver see it?
Wasn't the one driving, but I got the strong impression that he was a terrible driver. From this angle, it looked like he wasn't even paying attention, probably staring at his phone. Totally irresponsible.
An animal appears on the tracks in a snowy jungle. The train slows down and follows from a distance until it moves away.
In July 2020, everyone in Germany saw images and videos of a burning train. The maintenance locomotive was running without a driver when it suddenly caught fire. There was no one to stop the train, so it continued on its way until it reached a service station. After heavy rains in August 2024, 50 kilometers of railway tracks in the city of Picano were submerged. The downpour was so intense that the water level nearly reached the platforms.
Why are trains in Bangladesh so overcrowded? Limited capacity and daily demand push people to ride even outside the train. This is how trains continue operating in heavy snow conditions. Watch how the train is lifted off the tracks using heavy machinery.
The train driver couldn't resist showing off the capabilities of the vintage locomotive and sped through the station at 201 kilometers per hour, well above the speed limit of 120 kilometers per hour. Indian trains keep running even during floods. The only question is, how do people get off at the stations?
Seven rail cars tumbled from the tracks above in the worst train accident within city limits in decades. Fortunately, the cars held nothing more dangerous or volatile than dog food and mouthwash. But as cleanup crews began the daunting. Now, Norfolk Southern not only owns the train, but the tracks themselves. 80,000. There was additional damage.
It's a miracle the tram hasn't derailed on such crooked tracks.